Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Glide in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. This fantastic ability allows your legendary mount to soar through the skies, making exploration much faster and more exciting. To unlock Glide, you'll need to progress through a specific part of the game's story, known as the Path of Legends. It's a key upgrade for traversing the vast Paldea region, offering incredible freedom. To earn the Glide ability, you must successfully defeat 3 of the 5 powerful Titan Pokémon scattered across the Paldea region. These formidable foes are part of the Path of Legends storyline, where you team up with your friend Arven. Each Titan encounter is a 2-phase battle, testing your Pokémon's strength and strategic prowess. A common Titan many trainers face as their third is the quaking Earth Titan, found in the expansive Asado Desert. In Scarlet, it's Great Tusk, a ground and fighting type. In Violet, it's Iron Treads, a ground and steel type. Your Pokémon should ideally be around level 44 to 50 for this challenging battle. Once you've defeated 3 Titans and consumed Arven's special sandwich, your legendary Pokémon will gain the power of Glide. To activate it, simply jump from any high point and press the B button. You can then steer your Pokémon through the air, covering vast distances. Remember, gliding isn't infinite, so plan your landings carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.